Hi all, this is Ravi from IBM team, and today we are going to learn how to create purchase requisition for plan or plan schemes. I have already logged into the purchasing requisition responsibility. To create the purchasing requisition, we'll click on this form and then we will click on this open button. So it has opened a form to create a purchase requisition. It is showing the institute name, IARI, the type of requisition is a purchase requisition, the preparer name, and we will give some meaningful description over here. I need below mention items for plan, and then we'll click on this box and it will ask for the source of fund. The source of fund is the deciding factor which will decide you are creating the requisition for plan or non-plan. This is the basic difference. Earlier we had created the purchase requisition for non-plan. Now we will create the purchase requisition for plan. So we will select this plan scheme over here, then click on OK. Now we will click for providing the scheme code. So here are the scheme codes. We will give some relevant scheme codes over here. Click on this scheme code and then click OK. In the division name, we'll select the division name. Since we are creating this purchase requisition for plant pathology, we have selected it and then click on OK and then click on OK. Now we have moved to this line level. We'll give the item name over here. If you know the item code, then it's good. If you are not aware of this item code, then just simply click on the item field and give the percentage and then click on OK. So it will open all the items which are defined for IARI. So we will select some asset item over here, click on this office equipment and click on OK. So automatically it will pop up the category of the item, description. If you want, you can rename this description, then quantity, we'll give some quantity over here, one quantity, and the tentative price of this item like 500, and we'll give some delivery date over here. And if required, you can give note to purchasing officer, or you can give your purchasing officer name over here. These are the purchasing officer defined in the system as of now. I'm not selecting anyone as of now. Click on cancel and then click on details. Here you can give the justification. This will go to your HOD, or if you want to create this purchase requisition as urgent, you can enable this checkbox. Here you can give a note to storekeeper. Now the very important point over here, we'll click on this box and then we will give this EFC item. This EFC item is linked with your EFC item forms. So here we will click, so we can see the EFC item over here. We'll click on this server. Since we are creating this purchase requisition for plan, so it is mandatory to give the EFC item over here, otherwise the system will not allow you to purchase creation. Now click on OK. Yes. For non-plan requisition, this EFC item is non-mandatory, but for the plan and plan schemes, this EFC to provide the value in the EFC item is mandatory. So these EFC items will be filtered over here automatically on the basis of source of fund, scheme code, division name, and your type of item. Since you are purchasing the equipment, so EFC item would be type of equipment only. So it is mandatory to give the EFC item in the DFF field. If you will not give this EFC item for the plan, the system will not allow you to create the purchase requisition. Now come to the other points. The indenter name will show your name or against whom you are creating this purchase requisition. Now the institute name, the location name, and here if you want, you can give the supplier name. System will search all the supplier defined in the system. So here you can give some relevant name. So we will select like LG Electronics and will give site over here, and after that, after giving these values, just simply click on this save button. So it will save your purchase requisition. Here, this is the number generated. You can note down this purchase requisition number, and after that you click on this approve button. Moreover, if you want to attach some document, you click on this attachment button and click on the category. To supplier, or you want to give some attachment name. Here you can give some like long text. Now you can see this field is enabled. You can write the specification of the items over here or any detailed information about the item over here. So there is a big field over here. You can give the values. Attachment. Now just simply save this one and close this. So now I have told you how to attach the attachments over here. Now after that, we'll click on this approve button, and then we'll click on the OK button. So it will submit your purchase requisition to your HOD. So in this way, we have learned today how to create a purchase requisition for non-plan. So we have done for that today. Thank you.